Today, we have organized this event, TOP and Urban Community Network, and Tasha Jackson, Field Power.
Well, what's happening is the people is about to speak up. I mean, we're been fighting bail reform and, just trying to change or remake our criminal justice system. And so today is the day to where people learn about what's happening in Harris County, and they have an opportunity to, voice their concerns and, just share their vision for a remade criminal justice system.
Yeah, there's a whole historic movement happening here to end cash bail, and cash bail was deemed unconstitutional,
yes.
Discriminatory towards brown and black people, poor people. But it shouldn't have a financial stamp on it, right? There shouldn't be a price to freedom.
We are giving our kids away to the system. We are giving our people away to a system.
We had one parent who, he was a single dad, and he was taking care of his kids, working at Kroger every day, having, a normal life, but he was unable to afford the bail when he got into a scuttle with his brother, who came to his house, and he was charged with domestic violence. They both were, even though it was not his fault. He was defending himself. And then from there, he wasn't able to pay the $5,000 to the bail company. He wasn't able to pay the $50,000 bail that he was assigned. And so as a result, he lost his job, and the kids went into the system. He had to sit until he got a court date, and it was unnecessary because he was a law-abiding citizen with no record. The charges were dismissed, but by then his life was ruined.
I came to this movement in 2001, after my 10-year-old special needs son was arrested at his elementary school. I mean, these are kids that they were locking up and warehousing across the state of Texas for childish behavior and Class C misdemeanors. And so, when I say it's personal, it's personal. It's at some point we have to make sure that we, fight to undo a system that we all see that's destroying communities, destroying kids. And that's not what our system is designed or should be designed to do, but that's what it's been doing. And so I'm in the fight for another 40 years. Mm-hmm. I don't know how old I am, but I'm 40 years.
And look, Tasha was a huge, because of her son, ended, organized this huge movement to end Class C misdemeanor, arrest for kids for Class C misdemeanors. And I've got 24 nephews and nieces, okay? So, and I know that they're still targeted by this system and the school to prison pipeline and all of that, but it's one thing that we're chipping away at, and a huge thing that is there to further protect my nephews and nieces, black and brown nephews and nieces. So, this is something that we need to continue to do, and I'm glad I'm working with her.
I'm glad you're working with me.
Let's build power.